Now on our Swiss franc JPY, just as I've predicted, I think 2 days or 3 days ago, if you were watching my video, how we would be having a retracement, right? We'll be having a retracement to this possibly key level here. I've highlighted it to this possibly key level here, and guess what? We actually had that retracement for, and our Friday, our price opens here, even at a 4, touch this our area here for confirmation and a bullish move. Guess what? Now that our JPY would actually be falling, we are still aiming for a fall on our JPY to hit out this our low, which is about 82. Since we are currently trading at 83, to hit out this our low, that our price reversed from, we will actually be seeing a drop. Definitely, as we are getting a drop, then our Swiss franc itself would actually be going bullish. So we are expecting to see a breakout of this our previous higher highs. You can see this our previous higher highs. We got a retracement. Now we are actually going bullish to break this our previous higher highs on our Swiss franc JPY. That's exactly what we are saying to go. And another amazing thing is that on our 3 time frame, our price is still above our 10 period moving average. Still a good move on a bullish move upward. And as you can see here, our price is now going to hit this our level here. Let's probably see it comes down to hit this our previous higher highs. If our price to push, take our buy by the time our market opens, we take our buy to our previous higher highs, we should be able to grab about 90 pips, and even then a little bit of a pullback and a breakout. We are going to be seeing a breakout on our Swiss franc JPY for the week. That is, good amount of pips. That will be about 150 pips to grab. But first of all, taking our price to our previous higher highs will be giving us about 90 pips, and an upward movement which will be giving us adding more pips on our Swiss franc JPY. So that is my analysis for the week. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.